Traditional endoscopic ear surgery can be a complicated process, which all must take place within a tight 5mm channel. The channel size is then reduced significantly by the need for a rigid endoscope for vision. These surgeries may further require both suction and dissection. These tools will need to be removed and reinserted several times throughout the procedure. Additionally, current tools are rigid, thereby making it difficult to access certain areas of the middle ear. As a result, these procedures are often highly invasive, even requiring the resection of healthy bone. The CIGITI Lab has been working diligently to design a tool with the capacity to overcome these challenges. The device is mounted on a 3-degree of freedom cantilevered arm with an attached linear stage. This multi-tool can then be smoothly inserted into the ear canal. The tooltip employs a notched-nitinol tube to achieve 2 degrees of freedom, roll and pitch. The device is then easily controlled by joystick and can be used to access previously hard-to-reach areas. Furthermore, the tooltip is capable of providing both suction and irrigation as required by the user. Most importantly, a Rosen needle tip can be pushed in and out to achieve tumor dissections in a style that is familiar and comfortable to endoscopic ear surgeons. Overall, traditional tools can now be replaced by the new CIGITI Endo-Otoscopic multi-tool in order to improve surgical accessibility and eliminate the unnecessary excision of healthy bone.